Jeremiah 12:9. Is my inheritance like a speckled bird of prey to me? Are the birds of prey against her on every side? Go gather all the beasts of the field, bring them to devour. Birds of prey. I want you to look at this. All the colors. We got white, we got black, we got brown. Joseph's coat of many colors. Look at here. We got white, we got brown, we got tan. Look at all of that white and brown mixed together. Look at that. All the colors of the nations. White, brown, black, white, brown, black, white, brown, black, white, yellow, black, and tan. Again, one more time. Is my inheritance like a speckled bird of prey to me? Are there birds of prey against her on every side? Go gather all the beasts of the field, bring them to devour. Genesis 15:11. The birds of prey came down upon the carcasses, and Abram drove them away. Isaiah 46:11. Calling a bird of prey from the east, the man of my purpose. From a far country, truly I have spoken, truly I will bring it to pass. I have planned it, surely I will do it.